Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. At Vacation Genie, we believe digital currencies are meant to do more than just sit in your wallet. They're meant to take you places. We want to help you step into the future of cryptocurrency spending, as travel is one of the top categories for spending your crypto. It provides you with the best ROI, lasting memories. Make sure to check out Vacation Genie today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today for July 4th, and it's also Friday. And yes, you heard Friday, because it's time after working a long week to sit back, relax, talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I'm not going to overwhelm you today. I want to respect your time and your energy, so I won't be here for that long, but we're going to have some nice little headlines for you about a Bitcoin price prediction. We have a Belgian court and a kidnapping that we're going to discuss, just because people need to hear these stories. It's ridiculous. It's crazy, but it happens, and I want people to be aware. We're also going to talk about Abu Dhabi and a Bitcoin whale. And for our spotlight, we have Cynthia Lummis, one of our senators in the United States, that is looking to move forward on her crypto tax agenda, which is pretty interesting. And then we have Crypto Week. What is that? When is it happening? I will let you know in your coins to watch. So if you're ready for the Zest News, the Education 4th of July edition, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends, and let's get after it. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, so I could give away some memberships. And we got 22,049 subscribers. Hopefully we get a few more, cross that 22,050, make our way to 22,100 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. And so, yeah, check out our sponsors, my friend, as I say good morning to you. Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, use code ZESTY for 15% off. And then look over to Vacation Genie. I think they're beautiful people. They are. Hello, Ken. Hello. Guys, America is getting old. America's getting old. Let's say good morning to everyone. Happy 4th of July. Darn. I just want to say thank you to everyone who serves this country, everyone who has served this country, to give us the freedom that we have to maintain this independence. All the love to every single one of you. Let's keep chatting. We got Jesse, Dunraven, good morning. We got Bao, good morning. We got, Gio's in the chat. Oh boy. Chipper, all set, good morning. Rob C, Mama Shadow, we got Backup getting their Starbucks right now. As always, thank you to Black Hat. We have Andy S, good morning. David Bulls, Corvette, good morning. Oh, beautiful. There's so many people here. David Bills, Elric, Very Hoofty Floof, Sola Hefe, good morning. We have Rocky B, Crypto Bedell, nice to see you. Skipping Stones, nice to see you. Yukio's on X with Mike Mazzone. Let's see. Anthony Cantu, nice to see you. Welcome. Christopher McKell said, hi, I enjoy your positive vibe and energy. Hola. Well, hola to you too, my friend. Welcome to the show. We got George, John O'Connor, AC Joseph Fitness. Good evening to Brinko. Who else we got? We got Swiffle Crypto. Hello. Digi, good morning. Balaki is here. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Happy 4th. Oh, Sandman. HR 777, let freedom ring from every shore and mountain. Amen. Amen. Northside Repairs says hello. Hello to you too. All right, friends. It's time for your headlines. I'm here because of your energy, Hernanov says. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Happy we could spread some positivity out here. We love positivity. Also, I am wearing red to celebrate the holiday. I felt like I had to be somewhat patriotic. I could be even more patriotic and wear a cowboy hat the whole time. That would be patriotic. Hood of Crypto, good morning. Felix, Bill Nye. Oh my gosh. Ew. Actually, get rid of him. I'm blocking you myself. Remove. We are blocking you. Okay, put user in timeout. How long can I get Bill Nye out of here? Delete him from the channel. Okay, let's go. Mike, hello. Let's get after it. We have the market recap, which looks a little bleak on July 4th, or maybe more patriotic. I'm not going to say it's bleak. It's patriotic, red, white, and blue flag. I'm wearing red. That's fine. You know, we could chill out today. Markets are closed, but Bitcoin is open at $108,227 and 1.27%. Again, losing a key level of 1093. Again, referring back to our January all-time high, which again is now behind our current all-time high of $112,000. Now, I was saying yesterday that if we could really confidently pass this 109, maybe we could target that 112. However, we did hit the 109. We closed above it. However, we did kind of top out around 110.5-ish. I could go, I think it was 110.7. Let me go look on my app so I can give you real precise numbers out here. It was $110,577.17 was the high yesterday. I don't expect much over the weekend, I must say, just because this is a holiday weekend. Maybe some traders aren't online, whatever it may be. Bitcoin could cool off at this point. Again, just the most important level to watch, in my opinion, at the moment is $106,100. So that is my absolute priority in terms of TA levels to hold. We got our green dot printing on market Cipher, moving it up with that money flow. VWAP is pulling back a little bit today, along with that RSI, which is technically still bullish, so we'll take what we can get here. We're going to take a look at literally just a few headlines today, so I can respect your time and you guys could go celebrate the Day of Independence in the United States. So let's do that. Hernanov says, how does Cake Wallet work? Cake Wallet is a Bitcoin and crypto wallet. So all you got to do is download it, write down your password, also known as a recovery phrase. Because again, if you lose that app or if you lose that device, then you're going to want to use your recovery phrases. So that way you could then get a new device, re-download the app, whatever the case may be, enter those phrases, and then you're able to recover your funds. So make sure you have that written down and keep it offline. But it's just a place to store and spend your Bitcoin because, again, you could always send Bitcoin peer-to-peer, wallet-to-wallet, or they have Cake Pay, where you could go ahead and spend Bitcoin or whatever crypto you have in your wallet to then go ahead and get a virtual gift card and shop at your favorite stores. So it's a wallet. You can also exchange things on there. There's a lot going on in Cake nowadays. I really encourage you guys to go and explore it. They also just introduced the decentralized stablecoin, D-Euro. We're short and chill. July will be in the red like my dress. Oh, Gio, where's your 30K Bitcoin? I want to ask that question to you. I actually replied to your comment yesterday on X. You didn't even answer. We do have an after show today that is correct, guys. Let me go and ensure that the event is there. It is not. So let's go ahead. Guys, my internet was really wacky this morning. It wasn't really working, so I did a bunch of stuff, and a lot of it didn't go through. But that's okay. Let's see. Thunderstorms have been really bad where I am, so if there's ever a morning where I have to try to stream from mobile or I can't go live, period, it's probably because I do not have Wi-Fi. And my power has gone out a few times in the past week for like a minute or two, and it like flashes on and off. And so then you got to wait like 10 minutes for the Wi-Fi to come back. It's crazy. So we're going to continue to get after it. We're going to talk about your breaking news headlines, my friends. Sip your coffees and let's get after it. Breaking news headlines start now. Over here in Florida, we're officially in hurricane season. However, is there going to be a hurricane on that Bitcoin chart? People are saying, you know what, we're at hype level 1000. There's too much greed in the market. But I would say that there's still some fear out here, at least from what I see. And I don't think people are bullish enough, quite frankly. And if we have a slight pullback, it is what it is. It's a better time for you to accumulate that Bitcoin. Or you could just dollar cost average and buy when you need. People are saying that we could see a $150,000 Bitcoin. We went over a video yesterday where Tom Lee said 150 to 2K, 200K for the end of this year, and 3 million in the long term, which I would expect nothing less. However, we're going to take a look here. In this article, they're kind of going into the big, beautiful bill and how we could see 150K within a few weeks. And so Bitcoin has historically reacted extremely positively to signals that the U.S. borrowing will increase. And Donnie T's big, beautiful bill may be no exception, as estimates see U.S. national debt exploding to $40 trillion in 2025. And there's a quote right here: never in history has the U.S. borrowed even remotely near the levels we are borrowing now, and that this is a crisis. Guys, if we see a $40 trillion debt, that is devastating. Not that we have a real debt ceiling either, because, you know, you put the debt ceiling, but you keep on raising it. I mean, what's the point? So I don't know if I should really get deep on this topic. I don't think I should rant about it today. We're staying positive. But we always need to understand that they're always going to be able to print more money. Elon and Doge found literal magic money computers where they just type in, oh, here's some dollars, send it somewhere. So there's literal magic internet money floating around, and that's the dollar at this point. However, you know that there will only be 21 million Bitcoin. Everything is transparent on the blockchain, so on and so forth. So hopefully Bitcoin can save you, your children, and their grandchildren from being caught up in the massacre of debt that we have right now. Crazy. Donnie, don't think about us, Ken said. I call him Donnie. I say Donnie T for the sake of the social media censorship. Like, that's why I say it that way. I try to get around it, so maybe they don't really pick it up. I'd never buy Bitcoin above 30K. Oh, Geo. I wonder if this is going to age well. I feel like someone should clip this and have Geo's screenshot of him saying 30K Bitcoin. He'll never buy Bitcoin above 30K. I want to know if it happens. I want to see how well this is going to age. I don't know if we'll ever see 30K again. Let's have the chat answer that. Friends in the chat, will we ever see $30,000 Bitcoin ever again? Let's see. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. This is a July 4th edition. It's a holiday, but I'm still crazy, and I showed up today because I enjoy what I do for a living. We're going to go over to Belgium. A Belgian court is sentencing people in the name of a kidnapping. Another kidnapping, except it wasn't the crypto investor themselves. It was their wife. And this is so ridiculous. Especially in Europe. Europe has been having mad problems when it comes to crypto-related kidnappings, and the United States isn't better. You heard about New York, but again, New York. Listen, man. Stop flexing your bags on the internet. Everyone, oh, look at my portfolio, bro. Oh, I just triggered this NFT for $2 million, bro. I got this fat bag of ETH. Like, don't brag about how much money you have, period. You make yourself a target. Don't be silly and naive. People are watching everything. Trust me, I know. Take a look at this. A Belgian court has sentenced 3 people for their roles in a crypto-related kidnapping targeting the wife of a local crypto entrepreneur, Stephanie Winkle. The Brussels criminal court handed down 12-year prison sentences to 3 kidnappers who attacked Winkle's wife on December of 2024. Local news agency La Dinari Heuer reported on Thursday. The criminals were convicted of hostage-taking after abducting the victim outside her home, forcing her into a van, and demanding a ransom in cryptocurrency. Look at that image. Alerted by Winkle, law enforcement pursued the van and subsequently arrested the kidnappers and freed the victim after taking the vehicle off the road with a risky maneuver. So I guess this was the risky maneuver. They ran them off the road. They saved her. And that was pretty much it. So that is just crazy. It's incredible. And these things keep happening. So stop flexing your bags. Please keep it to yourself. And I worry about everyone that does flex their bags. Or bro, I just got a new watch, bro. Or like, bro, I just like bought like 5 million different things. Like, I love that. I love to see success. Don't get me wrong. But I get nervous. I'm like, please stop. I get so nervous. But I absolutely adore everyone that is able to make it in this space, because it is very hard, especially if you are back and forth and living and grinding in crypto X and all that stuff. So I give you credit, but please be careful. I worry so much because people are too savvy with the internet and they will find you. Please be careful. I have so much love for you guys. That's why I show you these things, because people don't hear about it. Oh, sheesh, we're getting the O gang in here. Oh, sheesh, the Otter gang. Let's go into Dubai. Abu Dhabi ventures into a bond tokenization with HSBC. And we've talked about HSBC in the past, so take a look at that. The Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange ADX said on Thursday it is preparing to list the first blockchain-based bond in the Middle East and North Africa, or MENA region. A move that signals more growing momentum behind tokenization finance in the region. Now set to be issued by First Abu Dhabi Bank, FAB, using global bank HSBC's digital asset issuance platform, Orion. The bond will be recorded and traded on distributed ledger tech, the press release said. So basically, people will be able to buy the bond directly on blockchain. But again, what kind of blockchain is it? Is it transparent? Is it something that anyone could see at any time? And can they censor you from it? Interestingly enough, the bond will be accessible to global institutional investors via major security settlement systems, including Euroclear, Clearstream, and Hong Kong's Central Money Markets Unit. Interesting that Hong Kong has some involvement here. The tokenized RWA market, they're saying, could grow to trillions of dollars over the coming years. Several reports by Ripple, BCG, McKinsey, and Standard Chartered project all of that. And so they said they want to lay the foundation for a broader class of tokenized assets, including bonds, Islamic bonds, and real estate-linked products. Interesting take. I would like to see the platform play around with it myself. However, I think it's...
You're welcome.
Oh.
You're welcome. Thank you.
A key stat to remember is that the price of Bitcoin has never gone back below the daily low it was on the day of the US presidential election. This time that was $69,363.70 on November 5th.
Good point. Good point, sir. Yeah, I think we flew up too fast, but we did come back down just a little bit. Like, hold on. Let's go back in time here. The election was right here. I have my little arrow drawn. We went all the way up to basically 109. We pulled back to basically that date. Like, we had a low of 74. 74K was around our low. So I don't know. It didn't go back to the exact price, but it wasn't that far away from it. It really wasn't that far. So you could say that was maybe the ground or the foundation to bring us back to this point. I mean, it does make sense. But it did not go down to 69K. You are right. You are right. Shout out to Papa O. Thank you so much for raiding in here. All the love. All the love. J Violet, I see you. I don't think I saw Alexandra today. All the love to you guys. Thank you for joining. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. I really want to make sure we could get after that 150 likes. We only have 62 likes at the moment. It would be beautiful if we could reach 100. I really want to give away memberships. I don't know. Do I give away Bitcoin? I don't know. $69,000. Can't deny the charts. I mean, listen, man. We could go back to 69K. It's definitely possible. Also, playing into the levels, right? Hold on. Right here, 69.1-ish was our all-time high, the wick high in 2021. So the quote-unquote last cycle. Then the highest daily candle close was 67.8. So I'll always feel like there's like a magnetic pull. I'll word it like that, like a magnetic pull pulling Bitcoin back to that point. I mean, it would if Bitcoin goes from 107 where we're at now back to 69K. That's such a great buy. That is such a great buying opportunity. Let's look at the price right now down to here. The highest daily candle close of 67. That's a 36% drop, which is quite normal for Bitcoin. So would it make sense? Maybe. Or we just keep going up and up and up, and to Valhalla we go. So please make sure that you have a bullish and a bearish case scenario, because Bitcoin will never cease to amaze you. Never cease to amaze you. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, my lovely friends. I love America. I love America. God bless America, the land of the free, the home of the brave. Well, the free in maybe some states. But I definitely think our founding fathers would love Bitcoin. They would love crypto. They would love what we're up to right now, because we are advocating for freedom and enhancing our inalienable human rights of life, liberty, and property. And we're going to talk about our public servants and what they have planned for crypto this summer, and that's going to include Crypto Week. What is that? What is happening? Let's break it down in your spotlight. It starts now. Republicans are declaring Crypto Week for 3 key bills that they want to pass. One might go straight to Donnie T's desk. At least one, I hope. We'll see. The most important one out of this is the one that addresses CBDCs, and I've been waiting and I've been screaming into this microphone for weeks. What is happening with the CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act? I'm so bullish on that one. It'll eliminate CBDCs in the United States. Let's go. Republican House leaders have pledged to consider 3 crypto bills starting in mid-July as part of Crypto Week, which is going to be July 14th to the 18th. The House Finance Committee Chair French Hill, House Agriculture Committee Chair Glenn Thompson, and Speaker Mike Johnson, that rhymes, said on Thursday that they'd use the week of July 14th to the 18th to look into the crypto market structure bill, the stablecoin bill, and a bill on CBDCs, which is the most important one. House Republicans are taking decisive steps to deliver the full scope of Donnie T's digital assets and crypto agenda. And during Crypto Week, the House looks forward to the timely consideration of 3 landmark legislation: Clarity Act, Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act, and the Senate's Genius Act. And so this, I think it'll be very important, because at this point, they could probably get it to Donnie T's desk, or not the Genius one, Clarity. Clarity could be next on Donnie T's desk after the House of the Financial Services Committee and the Agricultural Committee advancing on June 10th to put it before the House. So that's also very interesting. Bo Hines is our executive director of digital assets, and he is doing pretty well. He's doing pretty well. He's been very bullish on crypto this entire time, so he has not faded. Oh, we're on the homepage of Rumble. Thank you for letting me know, Black Hat. Send it. Guys, we're America. Guys, look. You go to rumble.com. Look, we're right here. Send it. Thank you. Thank you so much to Rumble. Guys, we love Rumble. Please make sure you follow us over there on Rumble. Oh, okay. Wait, how can I share? Oh, I can share it to X too directly. That's dope. Here's the link, guys. Go ahead. Check out our stream on Rumble. All right. On to the next thing. Senator Cynthia Lummis is drafting a standalone crypto tax bill, which she actually tried to include in the big, beautiful bill. It didn't go through, but I think that was purposeful in a way, so that way she could revisit it and kind of have it stand alone, which isn't the worst thing. I think this also really opens up the doors to crypto taxation and the easing of crypto taxation, and I think it needs to be a lot better, but this, I believe, is a very strong starting point. So the bill proposes an exemption for digital asset transactions and capital gains of $300 or less, or with a $5,000 annual exemption cap. And so Lummis said this groundbreaking legislation is fully paid for, cuts through the bureaucratic red tape, and establishes common sense rules that reflect how digital technologies function in the real world. We cannot allow our archaic tax policies to stifle American innovation. I agree. She said it ensures Americans can participate in the digital economy without inadvertent tax violations. And I believe they are still not very clear on how this all works, especially like if you sell stable coins, people say that that is capital gains. But if it's just converting like a digital dollar to your bank dollars, which are still digital dollars at the end of the day, what's the difference? So I don't really understand that one. But hopefully we can ask these questions down the line. Guys, we're doing amazing. Can we get 2 more subscribers for 22,060? Shout out to everybody here and all the new people that are joining the show. I appreciate you guys. Welcome. You guys are awesome. Oh, you guys are beautiful. You guys are so positive in this chat. Smash the like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep getting it. How many likes do we have? 90? Let's get 10 more, friends. I would like to give away some memberships today. We're going to go into our coins to watch right now and get into the charts. Here we go, my friends. Coin market cap popping up. Our gainers leading the way is Pangu, the Pudgy Penguins. I was going to say Pungu. Pangu from Pudgy Penguins. Up 3.3%. We got Syrup up 1.6%, Zcash up 0.46%, Aleo up 0.4%, XDC up 0.37%. We're going to look at the losers now. We got SPX leading the way, down 9%. Athena right behind it at about 9%, 8.8% in the red for Uni. Dog with Hat down 8.6%, and Pepe down 8.6% as well. Craziness. Let's look at Ethereum. Battling the 200-day SMA at the moment. We did try to manifest with a beautiful heart on our chart. However, it seems like we may have a little bit of an implosion for 4th of July when it comes to the 200-day SMA on Ethereum. Or maybe not. Market Cipher is giving me mixed signals. VWAP is pulling back. However, the money flow continues to increase. The momentum is building. But the RSI pulling back towards that neutral. We're down 2.92%. We need to battle the 200-day SMA and win. Litecoin looking like it wants to head toward the 200-day SMA, still a little bit away. We are at $87.32 for Litecoin, down 2%. Again, you know our levels to watch are 84 and the 91. We're right in between that right now. So, as always, keep calm, huddle on, stay bullish. Listen, the middle class always has to fight for what they have. It's true. Nice to see you guys. Guys, this is a day to celebrate freedom and love and prosperity for the United States. And I really am bullish. I really am bullish. I want to send this to infinity, the idea of freedom, that we could actually have freedom and have money that represents our freedom. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful country that we live in. So blessed. Especially as a woman, I feel blessed to live in the United States. We could talk about XRP, sure. XRP right now is $2.21. It's been pretty much the same price since like right here. When was this? May 30th. Same thing. Getting close, but not quite getting to the 200-day SMA at $2.36. Bearish level to watch is $1.83. Bullish is at $2.55. Hello, Dave Jensen. Happy 4th of July to you. My splendid, wonderful people in the chat. You know what? I don't know. Maybe I should just go ahead and give away memberships. We have 99 likes. Can we get one more like? Can you guys on TikTok go to youtube.com/missteencrypto, please? We are celebrating the 4th of July. I'm feeling patriotic right now. I'm feeling such a vibe at the moment. I wore red for this whole occasion. I was really thinking about it. I was like, I gotta be a patriot right now. Hold on.
Randi Hipper. I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and these. Maybe now I could bring some patriot vibes to the chat. Guys, yesterday I saw these beautiful red boots at the store. I almost passed out. They're so beautiful. Am I gonna do fireworks inside? No, that's not safe, my friend. I don't think that's safe. But just gave you the like you were looking for. Thank you. Smash the likes, friends. Yeehaw. It is time. Oh, we're over 108 likes. Okay, if you want to see some memberships in the chat, put a rocket emoji, please. If you guys want some memberships, I'll give away 5 right now. For the sake of yeehaw. Randy, red means market flush. No, this is the United States. We're repping the States. We got blue right here. We got red for the dress. Like we're really getting after it. This is patriotic vibes. Okay. All right. Let's drop those memberships. Hold on. Where is it? Membership gifting. We're sending 5 out, friends. Let's send it. Woohoo! Hopefully some active people get them. See? Proof of gift. Pamp. All right. Interesting. I could maybe give away 5 more, but that's if we hit 150 likes. I don't know if we'll get there today though. I appreciate you guys very much. We do have an after show that we're gonna hop into. So if you are a member of the channel, please go ahead and hop into Discord. Get ready. We're gonna hang out. Love the hat. Thank you. Appreciate it. We're feeling very yeehaw tonight. We are going to, or today, and tonight too. I don't know. I'm thinking I might wear this for some fireworks celebration. I was thinking about it. That would be fun. Then you kind of get hat head. You know what I mean? You take this off and it just flattens the hair. I don't know. Such girl problems. Anyway, guys, we are going to get after it today. It's the 4th of July. We're independent for being Americans, and we love being independent, and we favor our freedom. And I have a deep love for every single person who has served this country and continues to serve this country. Thank you for what you do, because you give us the freedom and maintain the independence that we claimed very so long ago. And I hope you guys are safe. Please be safe. I'm begging you. Please be safe. Fireworks are dangerous, so make sure you read the instructions if you're popping them yourself. Or just get a nice little sprinkler. Say, yay, sprinkler. Yeah? I didn't personally load up on fireworks because I'm scared to touch them. But someone else could get it done, or I'll go somewhere more professional. I'll see other people pop them off that know what they're doing. Bullduck Eric, thank you for the membership. Thank you. I appreciate you. Some good people got them too. That's great. Love it. Guys, we're going to go into the after show. Please enjoy your day. Please be safe. Happy Friday. Have a splendid weekend. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Stay safe. If it's raining by you like it is by me, it's going to be okay. Hopefully things will get better by tonight. Have a beautiful day. Happy 4th of July. Yay, America. Have a beautiful day. Bye, guys. Smash the like, subscribe, and share. All the love. Go to Discord if you're a member.